if you don't mind, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the Ozempic, tirzepatide kind of world there for two sets of people. One, for people who are extremely overweight and really want to lose the weight so they can start exercising. And two, people who are in shape, but just want to get a little bit more cut. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, for those who wanted to get, more, I mean, at the end of the day, I think everyone should do whatever the heck they want to, it's not my place to tell anyone what they should and should not be doing. I would never consider it. I would still argue that, go swimming and go on a low carb, ketogenic, carnivore, whatever diet. You lose that fat incredibly quickly. I think there are probably cases where medication makes sense, but I think those cases are a few. I mean,
Yeah.
I know people personally who they want to lose 10 pounds and take that medication. It's insanity to me, absolute insanity, because you're gonna gain that weight back once
Yeah.
you stop, once you cannot afford the medication anymore.
It's just scary because, like, the reason I bring that up is because this morning one of the parents also asked me, like, or didn't even ask me, just commented and said my daughter, so a kid in school, was approved for Ozempic,
It's
and she's not even that overweight. Like, she's literally not overweight.
that's mind boggling.
She it broke my heart. Like, and how do you tell a parent who cares so much about their kids' social credit of not, of not being made fun of for being overweight in school and stuff like that? Like, there are so many other things you can do. And it's just like, out of love, it's like, there are so many other things you can do. And some of us, some people watching this, some people listening to this might be, at the second half of their life. And it is a little harder to get started when you're
Yeah.
200 pounds overweight at that point. So always make the best decision for yourself, but definitely weigh out the consequences. Anybody under the age of 30 getting on something like that can truly mess you up for a lot longer than it's going to help you, definitely reconsider.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But make your own decision, do your own
Yeah.
thing, whatever you feel is right. But it just kind of, like, I wanted to bring that up and ask your opinion because it kind of just, it was like a shock that the doctors are prescribing it to kids.
Anything kid related, and the challenge really is that, with most parents, are you going to believe, the influencer on YouTube or your pediatrician, right?
Right.
Obviously, we are not a medical authority, we just happen to share stuff that's been working for us.